And we have a weather impact alert for Fox West Texas and San Angelo as we're expecting some late night storms moving into the area. So stay weather aware and download the Fox West Texas app. Have radar in the palm of your hand as the radar active tonight. Here's this evening's forecast. This little dip in temperature, by the 8 and 9 o'clock hour, it's accounting for maybe a downpour moving into the area. I think primarily after 9 and 10 is the best opportunity at seeing rain in our area, mainly while you're asleep. All right, so here are the alerts set for the entire region. Tornado watch farther north of San Angelo, meaning any storms that develop over these next, let's say, hours in the overnight will be capable of strong winds and some rotation, but mainly to our north. We're in a level 2 out of 5 for San Angelo and Abilene and across pretty much all of West Texas. But meaning anywhere north of the I-20 corridor, for example, that's where the dynamics are going to get a little bit more conducive and more favorable for heavier downpours, maybe even supercell thunderstorms north of San Angelo. Now, radar, it's a little active out to our west, not so much. You're heading back home, if you're staying in tonight, it's quiet. But notice as we zoom in, there is some thunder and lightning just northwest of Sterling City, just right over the I-20 corridor. We saw a couple of downpours near the Midland and Odessa area. Right now it's just light to moderate rain out towards West Odessa. But now you can see what's getting very active. Anywhere towards the Panhandle and crossing over into parts of Oklahoma. Pretty large thunderstorm, which is now considered severe. This is far removed from our area, but it is in the vicinity in our local region. And it's, we do want to mention it just because of the potential that some of these storms could look like this later tonight based on the atmosphere they're working with this evening. So notice that the severe warning in effect for the next, let's say, 15 or 20 minutes or so. Here's what you can expect overnight. Mostly cloudy and dry through about the 9 o'clock hour. But after that, things get a little active. By 10 and 11 p.m. tonight, a line of storms moving through San Angelo and through Tom Green County. It looks like, based on this latest model run, a lot of it weakens. However, some of these cells through midnight, 1 a.m., 2 a.m. could be capable of some isolated large hail and some strong winds. Rain chances dip down. Tomorrow afternoon, it's sunny. Highs near the upper 80s, near 90. And then here's Friday morning. Rain returns, a scattering of light to moderate showers, and then another first round of rain Friday night, and then a second round Saturday morning. How much rain between now and then? Anywhere from 1 to 3 inches of rain is fair game in this forecast. So we're crossing our fingers. We need this rain pretty bad. All right, here's your 7-day in San Angelo. 90 tomorrow, 81 Friday. Friday to Saturday, best chance for rain. Easter Sunday looks fine and significantly cooler. Look at the morning lows Easter Sunday morning. 48, 69 to 70 for a high. Back in the lower 70s by Monday and Tuesday. Abilene, very similar. Big takeaway in this forecast is that we're cooling down. We see rain in the forecast from Friday into Saturday. It dries out by Easter Sunday, but just keep this in mind if you have any outdoor plans Saturday, as we have some rain in this forecast. We'll keep you up to date coming up in the forecast later tonight. Bert?